Welcome everybody to our newest bottom line. Tonight we're going to be talking about a very, very interesting, maybe future timeline event that might happen. Spider-Man joining the Avengers. Okay, right off the bat, yay or nay? Should he join? Will he join?
Yay times 100.
I thought
so. But first of all, tell us the background.
The background. So basically, before Marvel, acquired a head, because he's run by Disney now.
Yeah.
They sold their movie rights to Sony. Sony has been producing Spider-Man films.
And they sold
Spider-Man.
Arguably the most iconic character they had.
Basically, this is the deal. You have, I think, X amount of time. If you do not produce a Spider-Man movie in that window,
you lose the rights.
You lose the rights. So basically, that's why we get that crappy, Amazing Spider-Man movies. So they don't lose the rights. But anyways, with the failure, not complete failure, but it was disappointment. The letdown of the Amazing Spider-Man movies. Talks between Sony and Marvel have started, lending the character so he can appear in the Avengers. And basically, that's what we're done. We're talking about it. Basically, That's what's going on right now. Spider-Man joining the Avengers. Will he? What kind of role do you see him having if he joins?
If he joins, it has to be. It has to be one of the lead.
He has to be a leader.
I don't know if a leader of the Avengers, but he has to be, one of the main points of the movie. I mean, why would you go out there, do all these negotiations, make all this effort, and not have him be one of the leaders?
Yeah, I mean, like I said, it's focal point, but not leader. When you have Thor, when you have the Hulk, when you have Captain America, you have Iron Man.
Well, the Hulk isn't a leader.
But he will kick your ass.
Oh, yeah, that definitely.
But anyways, all those combustible elements, I just don't see Spider-Man being the lead.
No, I mean, maybe one of the main points of the movie.
Yeah. The one thing that I am skeptical about is how much of Sony's input would end up in the Marvel's movie.
No,
I think if Spider makes it, it's, this is the kind of deal we want. Marvel gives, here's your money, Sony. Give us a character. We'll give you back when we're done filming.
Yeah, definitely. That's the point. I mean, that's what's going to happen, in my opinion, because Sony, if that happens, Sony will only benefit. I mean, Sony hasn't done a good job hasn't done an excellent job with Spider-Man. Marvel has done a great job, even doing, movies that are not so good, like Thor and Iron Man 2 and Hulk. I mean, those characters have excelled in that cinematic universe. So if they take Spider-Man, they are going to do a good job. At least twice as good as what Sony has done with Spider-Man. So that would benefit him. And the next time Sony, made a Spider-Man movie, they would have a huge advantage.
Also, interesting, what would be interesting? Explaining what happened with Spider-Man during the whole Avengers movie.
Yeah.
New York City, Spider-Man, nowhere to be seen, even though we have, aliens everywhere.
Yeah, maybe he was on vacation.
Maybe he was, trying to, mourning Mary Jane. He was still in the graveyard. He couldn't, look at the, huge alien hole into space.
Oh, yeah. Maybe he forgot his suit. Or maybe he was, washing his suit.
Yeah, that could happen. Maybe he was taking a nap. Maybe taking a nap.
That suit has needs.
Okay. But anyways, Spider-Man in the Avengers. Yay or nay? I'm saying yay if you do not let Sony get their hands on the script.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
So yeah, Spider-Man and the Avengers.
You can have a say, but you're not gonna decide.
Yeah, you don't have final decision.
Yeah.
But anyways, guys, this has been it. Let us know what you think in the comments. Also, remember to subscribe, like this video, share it, and also
tell us which other character would you like to see in the Avengers universe.
Wolverine.
Oh yeah.
But anyways, guys, have a great day, great night, wherever you are, and that's it.
Bye.
Bye.